They are both coming from France. This machine we call the outside machine is from the year 1903. And this machine we call the inside machine is from the year 1906. So they are really old. First I will show you the outside machine. I put the wooden block in the middle. There you go. I took the edges off to make it more easy for the knife to spin around. So we use a plastic right shoe mold and we're going to make a left shoe. When I put the left mold, we're going to make a right shoe. With this machine, normally it takes a couple of hours for a professional to only do the inside. When they do the inside with the hand, the wood has to be wet the whole time. So it's really hard to do it by hand and keep the wood wet at the same time. So the machines are really a solution for that. So they have the inside. Wow. As you can see, the inside is a little bit rough, but we can do the inside also with the machine. Then we have to replace the knife top for a sand top. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes work, and we can do that when the wood is completely dry. Then we can make it really smooth on the inside. So now I have to cut the front and the back. I will do it by hand. I will do it with like a curve. You see also why it needs to be wet, otherwise it will break immediately. Okay, then it will become this shoe.
Wow.
Okay, so now it has to dry for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks we can sand it and we can paint it. Then it will become this shoe.
Wow.
This is the same shoe. You see also the form will change after the sanding. So you take off a lot while sanding. And when the wood is totally dry, it will shrink a little bit. So you lose about 1 kilogram of water after 2 weeks of drying. Sorry. Then we put some paint on it for protection against the rotting, and then some oil for the show to let it shine. So if you want to try them yourself, you can do it inside the shop. Shop is on the right, we have all sizes. Always put one finger behind the heel, otherwise your arch gets hurt and your ankle needs space to fly out. So with the wooden shoes, always take your own size and then one size bigger. And most of all, don't forget, they're also very sexy to wear. So you should try them on, take some pictures with them, enjoy holiday, and thank you for coming.